as it is on most of the cars, we gotta go on the passenger side. Open the glove box, remove your belongings, and on the side here we've got a small piston which you have to remove. So we've got two tabs, you press them in and at the same time you take out the piston. Then you need to press on both sides. The glove box compartment will come out. Now under here you're gonna get access to the cover. So you need to remove it and take out the filter. Okay, so now it's time to install the new filter. We've got here the direction. So just place it in. The cover will also have a position, so just slide it in. And now it's time to put back the glove box. We've got here 4 slots for these clips here. So just put them in. Make sure they go in very well. Mind this piston. Now to reconnect the piston, just press it in and that's it. So that was an easy job. You don't need any tools to replace this cabin filter. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.